Snoring is a buzzkill for the person who's snoring, and as far as their mood goes, it absolutely will drag it down. And snoring is a buzzkill and a mood killer for those who are around the person who snores. And the snorer gets it from both directions. So if you're snoring, many folks who wake up in the morning after they've been snoring feel like their throat has been through 3-4 rounds with Mike Tyson. Those same people might also have some bruises in their side from those people who are sleeping next to them. And those same people may come to the breakfast table in the morning getting an earful about how much trouble they've caused to other people. All the while, that poor, lonely snorer, all they were trying to do is go to sleep. That simple act that should be so easy and effortless has created all of this trauma, which does lead to moods being not where they should be.